Hi everyone, Karen again, and today's video we're gonna cook some dinner for our Thanksgiving. It's simple but it's yummy food for our dinner. So we're gonna do the cheesy pasta bake with chicken and some bacon, and paired with vegetable salad with some Caesar dressing. So 6 servings ito, and pwede sa 6 na tao, and it takes only 1 hour of our time to cook and prepare. So start. Okay, our ingredients: we have pasta, cooked pasta, we have baby spinach, some celery, bell peppers, and I'm using the canned one, chopped tomatoes, and I'm using sour cream because I don't have a double cream, on some red onions and oregano dried. We have the thyme and mozzarella cheese and some grated cheddar cheese and the tomato paste, and yeah, that's it. So let's preheat our oven at 190 degrees Celsius. Let's fry first our chicken with some oil until it becomes golden brown. And we're gonna add the onions and mix the red onion and the white onions, but you can also use if you prepare red and red or white or white, depends. Mix it about 2 minutes. Add the chopped bell peppers, salt, pepper, garlic, and some tomato puree and the oregano and the thyme. Stir it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes and cream and bring to a gentle bubble. Then add the pasta, the spinach, and the cooked bacon. Just boil for a minute, and then we can add now our cooked pasta. The pasta, just boil it in 3 to 5 minutes, but you can boil longer if you want, but it's good to boil it not too soft because ilalagay natin sa oven. So that's it. And add our baby spinach and the cooked bacon. Let it cook for a minute, then it's ready to put in a baking dish. Use the large size because we have a large amount of this. Top with the cheddar and mozzarella cheese and then place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Just keep on checking on it to make sure it will not get burned. I want to add more cheese because I like this recipe to be more cheesier because I love cheese. Okay, 25 minutes is over and then it actually took 20 minutes only, and top it with parsley before serving. Dinner is ready. That's it, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.